Kisii. Kwa dhibele nyakura mgajwang riwruok Jodolo mawuok e county ma Kisii motisi ni Kisii Pastors and Clergy Forum okwedo chenro mar MCAs kadho paro mar juogo osuru e wi rombe mag lamo kata crusades kod mago ma itae kinde mag otieno ka giwuoyo e boma ma Kisii bang' bedo kod romo makanyakla. Jodolo go wacho ni paro no dhi ataro gi chike mathurka kata kamano MCAs go kotene kod jakom budget e county no Peter Otachi wacho ni paro no pok okadhi e od bura kendo kik Jodolo bed kod wich bar e wach makamano. Omedo seyo josiasa maketo weche siasa e wachno paro mar chik dwaro mondo mi juoge shillings 5,000 juma ka juma ne lamo mibayo gotieno kata kesha ne joyalo maonge kanisni kendo thoro lamo ya peini ka Jodolo ma kanise idwaro mondo mi ochul kata mago mantiere kod kanise idwaro mondo mi ochul shillings 2,000 juma ka juma.
Certainly therefore that there is an intent to openly and secretly abuse and fight this spirit by the county government of Kisii, sneaking very punitive tax measures against the principle of freedom of worship. That includes crusades and the permits for Christian power nights, commonly known as caches. We condemn with the strongest terms possible.
Nasi kama kanisa la Yesu Kristo tunadai uhuru wetu wa kuabudu iwe ni usiku na mchana. Na pia tunaomba kwamba kaunti yetu ya Kisii ikubali ya kwamba kuna tofauti ya kesha na makerere. Tunajua kwamba makerere ni mambo yanayohusika na mambo ya neema.
We also reduced, we actually scrapped off the plans, the money that people pay for plans for churches. So whoever is going to construct a church in Kisii County will not be paying for plan approvals. It will be free. So in one way or the other, we also encouraging people to construct churches and also worship because it's their right. So the issue of the church tax, as has been put clearly by my colleagues here, it is not there.
That proposal has not seen the light of the day. It has not been assented by His Excellency the Governor. And the Governor is out, and he has already confirmed that he will hold a meeting with all the clergy in Kisii County so that they can have a forum where they can iron all these issues so that we can have a conducive environment for both those Christians and those who are not Christians, because as a government we must ensure that our people are safe, those who worship and those who don't worship.